Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green line up here are coming from. But after today's price movement, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of all these. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So after today's price movement, obviously the bears are continuing to be in control. So what I want to focus on here are some of these next potential areas of support. And for this, we may actually... No, we'll leave it here. I realize it's kind of hard to see, but this just kind of goes to show that it's been a long time since the price has been down at these certain levels. But the current level where the price is sitting, definitely important. And I realize the price technically slightly broke below it. But remember, support resistances are, they have a range element. They're not exact specific prices. So the price is down around a very historic level of support. Why do I say historic? Well, if you go back to the history of things, you can see that right here, the price got right around that area. Here, generally speaking, are right around that area. And in both instances, nice bounces, did follow through. Am I saying that a bounce is guaranteed? I really wish trading was that easy. So you can't say it's guaranteed. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But again, no such thing as a guarantee in the market. In the event this current area cannot hold, next level of support to keep an eye on would be down here around $5.50. So again, ideally you want to see this 590 level hold, but if it doesn't, next level to keep an eye on would be down around $5.50. Now we'll zoom back in here and talk about some areas of resistance. So in the event there is any sort of bounce to the upside, let's talk about where some potential battlegrounds may reside. As far as where the sellers are currently seemingly hanging out at, first level to keep an eye on any sort of bounce is going to be right up there around $6.40. And then from more of an overarching point of view as far as resistance level, and I'm pretty sure I've talked about this in the past videos, it's still all about that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move itself further and further downwards. So kind of keep an eye on that as the downtrend trend line that's drawing itself for you. So overall, yeah, things are looking kind of rough, but the price, like I said, is at a very interesting location right now. So let's see if 590 can hold and potentially even produce a bounce like it's done a couple times in the past. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.